Thousands of years ago, in the great city of Babylon, there lived a man named Arcad. He was famous for his immense wealth, yet he was also known for his kindness and generosity. One day, two of his childhood friends, Bansir and Kabi, came to him. They were struggling to survive, working hard every day, but still having no money. They asked him, "Arcad, we grew up together. We played the same games. We studied with the same teachers. Why did life give you everything, while we are still poor?" Arcad smiled and said, "It is not because of luck. It is because I learned the laws of wealth while I was still a young man." Arcad told them his story. When he was young, he worked as a scribe, carving records into clay tablets. One day, a very rich man named Algamish came to him and ordered a copy of a law. Arcad worked all night to finish it. When Algamish returned, Arcad asked him, "Sir, tell me how I can become wealthy like you." Algamish looked him in the eye and said, "I found the road to wealth when I decided that a part of all I earned was mine to keep." Arcad was confused. "But I keep everything I earn," he said. Algamish shook his head. "No, you pay the tailor for your clothes. You pay the baker for your bread. You pay for your sandals. You work for everyone else but yourself. If you keep 1/10 of what you earn, in 10 years, you will have a year's wages for yourself." Arcad followed this advice. For one whole year, he saved 10% of every coin he earned. After a year, Algamish returned and asked, "What did you do with your savings?" Arcad replied, "I gave it to the brickmaker to buy rare jewels from a distant land." Algamish sighed. "Why would you trust a brickmaker to know about jewels? You have buried your treasure. Your money is gone." The lesson: only take advice from people who are experts in their field. Arcad saved for another year. This time, he invested his money with a shield maker to buy bronze. It worked. He earned a profit. But when Algamish asked what he did with the profit, Arcad said, "I bought a great feast with honey, wine, and fine cakes." Algamish laughed. "You are eating your children. You must let your profits work for you and grow more children, more money, before you spend it." Finally, after another year, Arcad learned to invest his money wisely and let the interest compound. Algamish was so impressed that he hired Arcad to manage his estates. Arcad finished his story by giving his friends the 7 cures for a lean purse. The most important ones are: save at least 10% of everything you earn. Do not confuse your wants with your needs. Invest your savings so they earn more money. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes and protect your capital. Arcad looked at his friends and said, "Wealth, like a tree, grows from a tiny seed. The sooner you plant that seed, the sooner you will sit in the shade of its branches." Bansir and Kabi realized that wealth wasn't a secret, it was a habit. They left Arcad's house not with a bag of gold, but with something better, the knowledge of how to create it.